Hello and welcome to Ancient Asia. Rainforests cover up to 6% of the Earth's land surface. It can take 10 minutes for a falling raindrop to travel from a rainforest thick canopy to the floor. Rainforests get at least 250 centimeters of rain a year. Sometimes it's almost double than that at 450 centimeters. You'll be amazed to know that a quarter of ingredients in modern medicine come from the rainforest plants. Today, we are going to witness one such beautiful rainforest of Sri Lanka. Sinharaja Forest Reserve is a forest reserve and a biodiversity hotspot in Sri Lanka. It is one of the international significance and has been designated a biosphere reserve and World Heritage Site by UNESCO. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), Sinharaja is the country's most viable area of primate tropical rainforest. More than 60% of trees are endemic and many of them are considered as rare. The hilly virgin rainforest is a part of the Sri Lanka's lowland rainforest ecoregion. It was saved from the worst of commercial logging by its inaccessibility and was designated a World Biosphere Reserve in 1978 and a World Heritage Site in 1988. The reserve's name translates as Lion Kingdom. It is a treasure trove of endemic species including trees, insects, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Because of the dense vegetation, wildlife is not as easily seen unlike other natural parks in Sri Lanka. There are few mountain rainforests, elephants, leopards, and many variety of mammals discrete and endemic to the area. The most common larger mammal is the endemic purple-faced langur. Birds tend to move in mixed feeding flocks, invariably led by the fearless Sri Lanka crested drongo and the noisy orange-billed babbler. Of Sri Lanka's 26 endemic birds, the 20 rainforest species are found here, including the elusive red-faced malkoha, green-billed cowcle, and Sri Lanka's blue magpie. Reptiles include the endemic green pit viper and hump-nosed vipers, and there are a large variety of amphibians, especially tree frogs. Invertebrates include the endemic common bird-winged butterfly and leeches. Harmful construction. In 2013, UNESCO halted a construction project linking Lankagam area to Deniaya area after a complaint from the Center of Environmental and Nature Studies of Sri Lanka. The construction recommended on August 10, 2020 by engineering personnel from the Sri Lanka Army on the behalf of Sri Lankan government. Despite a group of environmentalists informing the Sri Lanka Forest Department, the President, the Ministry of Environment and the Central Environment Authority has taken no action yet to suspend the construction. Due to political influence, this wonderful and unique paradise is threatened. Team Ancient Asia is concerned with the wildlife of the entire world. Stand with us against deforestation. Let's keep our Earth a planet green. After all, the earth is what we all have in common. This is ancient Asia.